hurry up. It's Agua de Mayo, guys. Wow. Agua de Mayo. Agua de Mayo.
Can I go there?
Doon tayo sa taas. Sa taas. Dali. Oh, it's raining. Agua de Mayo, guys. The other side, doon. It's raining. It's raining. Yeah.
Yes.
Agua de Mayo. Aray! Ang sakit nun, di may maha. Ang sakit. Smell po. Like that. May rain. Huwag labas ang dila.